Greetings. Today we will demonstrate how to start a Google Sheet from a template. To begin, let's make sure we are in our School District of Philadelphia's Google account by this symbol here within our Google Tools. We will begin by clicking on in Google Drive our New button. When we click on the New button, it should open up a screen with options. We'll slide down to Google Sheets and move our cursor over to the arrow, which will allow us to start either from a blank spreadsheet or from a template. We're going to choose from a template today. And when we start with from a template, we have the option of choosing templates created by our colleagues in the School District of Philadelphia or from Google itself. Today we're going to use the assignment tracker from Google. We want to click on that, and when we click on that, it begins a file that has all the tools that were built into this particular template. Remember, first thing we do whenever we open a file within Google Drive is to rename our file. I'm going to call this Assignment Tracker 2022 2023. As with all templates, there may be formulas, there may be additional items that we want to ensure. Please take a look at your sheet that gives you some information about that particular sheet. There also may be additional sheets at the bottom that you may want to explore or review. Thank you. Have a great day.